What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to be doing our 500 subscriber giveaway, and I basically just wanted to talk about what we have going on moving forward and what we're going to be focusing on. So mainly we're focused on FPV and 3D printing, and then mixed in with some photo and video stuff. I have a background in real estate photography, drone photography mainly, and so we've got some plans to like show you how to make money with your drone. Basically, is on the side. I don't do it full time professionally. Well, I do it professionally, but I do it part time on the side. So, anyways, that's something that we're also going to be doing here in the future. And right now it's wintertime, obviously, so we're mainly focused on 3D printing. And Mike, my partner, is he's moving down to Florida right now, so. He's going to be a little inactive right now, but he'll definitely be doing stuff from Florida and whatnot. So it's kind of cool. We're actually going to be across, I'm in Washington, West Coast. He's in Florida on the East Coast. So we're going to be doing, content from both places. So you'll be able to see some cool Florida stuff and some cool Pacific Northwest stuff too. So, yeah, mainly 3D printing, FPV. Like I said, it's wintertime, so right now it's mainly 3D printing. But that's what we plan to do moving forward. And yeah, so let's get into the giveaway, I guess. So thank you very much to you guys for supporting the channel, subscribing, liking, commenting. That stuff really helps with the engagement and boosts the videos and whatnot in the suggested and the recommended feeds. So big thanks to that. Join our Discord as well too if you have any questions or you need help getting started with either FPV or 3D printing. Yeah, join the Discord. Mainly our channel growth has been through through 3D printing stuff currently. I guess that's just more popular because it's, I guess, winter time too as well. But anyways, yeah, big thank you to you guys. So we have multiple different things here to give away. Like I said, we have an FPV audience and a 3D printing audience. They kind of go together too, if you know either of the two hobbies. So for 3D printing, we have either the Bltouch, which most people are probably going to want, I'd imagine. Or if you already have a Bltouch or an ABL, we have different filament. I've got some, this is, I haven't even tried this out, the SUNLU TPU. The best TPU I've tested out so far is the Sainsmart stuff, but if you already have a Bltouch or an auto bed leveler and that doesn't interest you, you can pick any roll of TPU or PLA filament. Let me know and I'll just, buy it off Amazon and ship it straight to you. For the FPV guys, throwing stuff around here, sorry. We've got multiple different things. So one of these cool things, I've shown this in a future or a recent video, is this is the True RC Blaze antenna. It's 5.8 antenna True RC. This is a left-hand polarized version, but these things are awesome. They're LED lights in the antenna and they're bright as hell, super cool. I've got crap loads of props. We'll either throw in a bunch of epic props or antenna. You get to pick, basically, is what I'm getting at. Or we've got loom skids. These things are sick too. They light up super bright. They're basically skids for your drone. So I mean, the Bltouch is more expensive, obviously. So if you're an FPV guy, I'll throw in loom skids and props or something, or the Blaze antenna and some props or something like that. We'll make a sweet little package for you. But whoever wins, basically, we're gonna. If you gotta, I guess the rules for the video too, you have to be subscribed to the channel and you have to leave a comment down below just saying what you would like, basically. So it boosts engagement, but it's a fun way to do that. So you have to subscribe to the channel, share the video too if you want, that'd be cool. But down in the comments below, just tell me, if you're interested in 3D printing stuff or if you're interested in FPV, and then we'll use some kind of random comment picker to select a winner. And then, that person, I'll reach out to them and say whatever they would like to receive. So that's basically it. Thanks again for everybody supporting the channel. Big thank you to that. And good luck. I'll probably let this run for about a week or whatever. I'm just going to title it as a giveaway too for, 500 subscriber giveaway. So the only people that should be seeing it, it's not going to show up in like searches for, 3D printer stuff. It's just going to be for the people that have already subscribed to the channel, so, or that that are already engaging with our content, because I'd rather it go to somebody that's already been supporting the channel and engaging with us. So anyways, yeah, that's it. Big thanks again. Good luck, and yeah, see you in the next video. Have a good day.